Hi lovely people, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Love That Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to make pad thai. So let's get started. First we will make the sauce mixture. In a saucepan, add the fish sauce, palm sugar, tamarind paste, and water. Stir all together until the palm sugar completely caramelizes and set aside. Pad Thai is a stir fry, so you have to make sure all the ingredients are ready to hit the pan. Heat the vegetable oil over high heat, add the chicken and stir until fully cooked through for 3 to 5 minutes. Add the chopped shallot, garlic, and saute for about 1 minute. Add the shrimps, tofu, radish. Give a stir until the shrimp develop color. Make a room for the eggs and gently crack the eggs in. Scramble the eggs and let them set all the way. Add the noodles and pour the sauce mixture. Mix all together and let the noodles absorb all the sauce. Add the beansprouts, garlic chives, and peanuts. Turn off the heat and toast just to mix. And when it's there, we are ready to serve. Enjoy! Go to LoveThatBite.com for the full description. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please give a thumbs up if you like it and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!